Hey guys, today I have a subscription box. It's the December edition of Lookfantastic subscription beauty box and looks very Chinese New Year too. They could reuse the box for Chinese New Year. Okay, so let's see, open it up. And I've been opening their Lookfantastic advent calendar and I've been really spoiled by it. I've been getting so many good things inside. So they always have a little note here. It says, "Believe in the magic of Christmas." Nice and simple, very pretty. And then it always comes with the pamphlet, so we can refer to that for the items. But it doesn't seem like they have like the price, so that's okay. I'll calculate the price of each item that we're getting and leave it up above, and then we can total it up and see if it's really worth the value. So I went to the website and I calculated and made a note. So it's $35 a month, but if you sign up for they have like 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. If you sign up for the 6 months, it's $34 per month. And it's weirdly cheaper per box than the 12 months one. So I would say get the 12 months one. So it always comes with like luxury expensive brands, which is true. I always get like great brands, and there's always a mix of like makeup, skincare, body and hair care almost every single time that I've gotten it. So let's see, other than the pamphlet, it also comes with December's edition of the Elle magazine. So to me, the value of this, is zero because I don't read magazines. So that's just gonna go to the side, and it's nice, red, and then it comes with gold tissue paper. So let's open it up together. Okay. Oh, this box smells so good. So this is how it looks like inside. So the first thing, I'm gonna pick up this. I'm pretty sure this is a makeup product. It's from Karl, Lagerfeld, no idea how to pronounce, and ModelCo. So it's like maybe a collaboration. And this is the brow pencil. It says that it's in the shade medium dark. This is 1.5 grams. I'm pretty sure it's a full size, right? It looks like a big full size. And you can see the brow color over here, but it doesn't come with a spoolie on the other side. Is it retractable? This is not the thing that smells amazing, but the box itself makes everything smells amazing. So I've been rolling this for a while. It's not retractable. I'm guessing you have to sharpen it. I wish it was retractable, but let us swatch over here. Oh wow, you can see it's a nice brown shade. I think it will match me even better when my dark roots grow out. Not bad. So let's look here. It says, brow pencil transform teen brows into full natural looking arcs with this high pigment. It's true. Brow pencil. Fill in with short strokes to slowly build up. Everything we know. Yeah. I guess it's cool. It's like a brand name product, like branded. If you're into that, I don't really care what brand it is, but it seems nice. Okay, so the next thing over here, it comes with a beauty blender, and this is the Lookfantastic brand beauty blender. Did they make this themselves? Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it comes with a slanted side, so you can get under your eyes, inner corner. I feel like I did that for another sponge in another video. So this is limited edition Lookfantastic sponge. Pretty squishy, not bad. This is designed with rounded and a flat edge. I even seen some people using this edge to really get into the inner corners, especially the nose area. Everybody knows how to use a sponge, but you can also use this with your powder. This is actually pretty squishy. It's quite soft, and I like that it's red in color, so it's very festive and it's limited edition. Next up, shall we try to find out what is the thing that smells so good? I'm thinking it might be this. Oh yes, it is. Oh, it smells like a perfume. This is from the brand Grow Gorgeous, and it's the Scalp Detox Exfoliating Pre-Wash Treatment. It's 50 ml, and through the light I can see that it is pretty full. It comes sealed, but it already smells so good. Let us pull this out. Okay, it refuses to come out, but this smells amazing. This is the thing that smells so good. So it says exfoliate and detox your scalp with intensive scalp. Wow, okay, so probably don't use it too often. Ideal for keeping our scalp healthy. You can use this regularly to avoid product buildup and keep hair fresh and bouncy, especially if you use like dry shampoo or you only wash your hair like once every few days. This is gonna be good. And I live in a summer weather, so I definitely need things like this. But the interesting thing is that it says that it's a cooling formula and it contains castor oil bits to help improve hair growth. So it's not just exfoliating, it also helps with hair growth. You can use 1 or 2 times a week as a pre-wash shampoo. No, pre-wash treatment before you go in with a shampoo. I think I'm most interested in that it says it's cooling, so it's gonna be very nice and calming for your scalp. Okay, so next, let's look at this. I love Illamasqua, and this one is a skincare thing from them. This is the Illamasqua Hydra Veil. It's 7 ml, and I've heard a lot of people review this and say it's really good. It's basically like a hydrating gel and also a primer. So it's actually called like the Hydra Veil Primer. So designed to not only hydrate skin but provide long-lasting wear for makeup application. This primer is an essential. It's gel formula, so it nourishes and calms the skin and creates a perfect base for makeup. So this smells really good too, and it's slightly pinkish in color. You can see it's definitely a gel formula. Let's try it a little bit over here. So it's definitely one of those primers that will not mattify, more like a dewy finish. Okay, it soaks into the skin very fast. Not very tacky. Not bad. Definitely excited to use this. So we already have 1, 2, and 3 makeup products. Usually we don't get so many makeup products, but makeup products are my favorite to get. Next up, we have this big box. This is from the brand Dr. Botanicals, and this is the PO. So it's the Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, 100% natural, 15 ml. This feels like a really generous size for an eye cream. So it's like an eye serum. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And it's infused with raspberry seed oil. This deeply nourishing eye serum will help to smooth and refine the under eyes. Comes with a dropper, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Doesn't smell like much, although it says that there's like raspberry seed oil and pomegranate. So pomegranate extract will help to brighten the skin and leaves your under eye bright and relaxed. This is pretty good in a serum form. Usually I use like eye creams, but this will absorb really fast. Pretty sure you can also use this in a day. It doesn't smell like anything, although they said that there's pomegranate. Wow, you can look at the shine. I think I use a bit too much, so you just use like a small little amount and then you can tap it into your under eye area, and it says that you can leave it in the fridge to help like an added boost for reducing puffiness. Okay, we have one last thing in the box over here, and this is from the brand This Works. This is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. So let's spray this on the book. Oh, smells good. I think I got this before. So it just says like spray onto pillow before bedtime. This is a really nice size. It's 10 ml. You can also spray over any nightwear that you're wearing for an added boost. And this one is an award-winning super blend of chamomile, lavender, and vetiver. The best part is this is created using natural oils. So let's see. Let's go through what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we always get 6 products and the magazine. So what I'm most excited for is this, which is from Illamasqua, the Hydra Veil, because it's like a primer. So I'm really interested to try this out. Second thing that I'm most excited for is this one. It smells amazing, the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox Treatment. And then the rest I'm quite okay with. So that's all for this box, and I'll love to chat with you guys in the comments section. So I'll see you down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!